Very good morning, my dear students. Students, in the last class, we have discussed remainder theorem. We said that if we divide any polynomial with x by x minus a, then the remainder will be the value of that polynomial at a. This is said by the remainder theorem. Now, today we will discuss factor theorem. Factor theorem said that if px is any polynomial of degree greater than 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a, that is x minus a is a factor of px. What will be the condition? Condition will be the value of pa polynomial at a should be 0. Means if the value of polynomial at a equals 0, then x minus a will be the factor of polynomial. And the second statement given by the factor theorem is if pa equals 0, then x minus a will be the factor. Means if pa is 0, then x minus a is factor, and if x minus a is a factor, then pa will be 0. This is given by the factor theorem. Now, examine whether x plus 1 is a factor of this. Now, you know that according to factor theorem, this will be the factor if the value of this polynomial at a will be 0. Now, according to factor theorem, x minus a is a factor of px, means this polynomial, if pa equals 0. Now, here a is, comparing this with x minus a, you will get a equals minus 1 and find the value of this polynomial at minus 1. To find the value, we will replace x with minus 1. So, p of minus 1 is minus 1 cube plus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. On solving, you will get that, you will find that the value of polynomial is 0. Now, according to factor theorem, this is the factor. So, x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 1. I am repeating, according to factor theorem, x minus a will be the factor if value of polynomial at a will be 0. Comparing this with x minus a, you will find that a is minus 1 and find the value of this polynomial at minus 1. If remainder is if value is 0, then this will be the factor, otherwise this will not be a factor of this polynomial. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Now, according to factor theorem, if this is the factor, then p of a should be 0. Now, here a is 1 and pa will be 0. Pa will be equals 0. Now, find the value of pa. Means value of polynomial at 1. Replace this x with 1, you will get 4 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k. This will become 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus k equals 0. This will get cancelled out and k will be minus 3. If you are asked to check, if you are asked to find out the given polynomial is a factor of the polynomial or not, then you will check that remainder is 0 or not, or value of polynomial is 0 or not. But if you have given that this is the factor, then you will put the polynomial value equals 0. Now, Our second topic is factorization. We have two methods for factorization. First is by splitting the middle term and the second is by using factor theorem. Now factorize this by using splitting the middle term and by using factor theorem. First method, by splitting the middle term. In this method we find two numbers, say p and q, whose sum will be this 17, means coefficient of x, and the product will be equals product of these two numbers, means coefficient of x square and constant term. Find two number p and q such that p plus q should be equal 17 and pq should be 30. Now factor of 30 are 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 5 into 6. Now from among these factors, only 2 and 15 is only the factor which satisfying the condition this, that is 2 into 15 is 30 and 2 plus 15 is 17. So these are the factors which satisfying the both the equations. So this is p and q. Now split the middle term. Here we have given 6x square plus 17x plus 5. You can write this 17 as 2 plus 15. I write 17 as 2 plus 15. In the next step, this will become 2x plus 15x and the remaining term will be as it is. Now taking 2x common from this and 5 common from this, you will left with 2x into 3x plus 1 and 5 plus 5 into 3x plus 1. Now taking 3x plus 1 common from both, we will have these two as a factor. So 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 5 are the factors of 6x square plus 17x plus 5. स्टूडेंट, इस मेथड में आपने क्या करना है कि जो कॉमन टर्म, जो कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x है, उसके ऐसे फैक्टर बनाने हैं। आपको दो नंबर ऐसे फाइंड करने हैं जिनका जो सम है वो तो क्या है, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x के इक्वल, एंड प्रोडक्ट शुड बी इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कांस्टेंट टर्म एंड द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर. Then split the middle term, that is coefficient of x in these two terms. Then solve this. By splitting the middle term method is more efficient than factor theorem, by using factor theorem. Now we will discuss factor theorem method. By using factor theorem method, first make the coefficient of x square 1. To make the coefficient of x square 1, we take 6 common. Now this is my polynomial. This is my polynomial. So I write this 6 into px. If a and b are the zeros, you know the meaning of the zero means this will be x minus a and x minus b will be the factor. A and b are the zeros, then we can write this as 6 into x minus a and x minus b. Now comparing a minus b means if we multiply this with this, you will find that ab equals 5 by 6. AB equals 5 by 6. Now find the factors of AB, that is 5 by 6. So factors are 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 5 by 2 and 1. Of course plus minus both. These are the possible values of A and B. Among these possible values, we will find the value of A and B which satisfying the equation. Means the value at which this polynomial gives the value equals 0. If we let the value 1 by 2, if we check 1 by 2, then my polynomial will be, put the value, we will get 1 by 4. This is x square. I am substituting the value here because this is my polynomial and we assume a and b zeros of this. So consider this polynomial. Now 1 by 2 plus 17 by 6 into 1 by 2 plus 5 by 6. You will find this is not equals 0. So check next term, that is minus 1 by 3. This will become 0. So x plus 1 by 3 will be the factor. Similarly, you will find that x plus 5 by 2 is also a factor of px. Means these two are the factors. If these are the factor, then x minus a will be x plus 1 by 3 and x minus b will be x plus 5 by 2. 6x square plus 17x plus 5. We will replace x minus a and x minus b with these two terms. We will get this. And now multiply this x with both. You will get 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 5. Here this will become 3 into 2 can 3, 2 is 6 and 2 1s are 2. 2 1 is 2. So this is 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 5 are the factors of 6x cube. That is the given polynomial. This is exercise 2.4. In first question, you have to check that this is a factor or not. You can use here factor theorem, and similarly for second sum use factor theorem, and in third sum you have to find the value of k, and fourth and fifth is to find the factors. The means factorize the given polynomials. Okay student, thank you and have a nice day.